We are conditioned for instant results. Notifications, same-day delivery, and on-demand entertainment have trained us to expect immediacy, making the timeless strength of patience feel like a weakness. But true patience is not passive waiting. It is urgent action applied over time. It is the conscious, energetic choice to endure discomfort now for a profound reward later. This is delayed gratification, the muscle behind every great achievement, from a healthy body and deep relationships to financial freedom and mastery. Every time you choose to save instead of splurge, to study instead of scroll, or to have a difficult conversation instead of avoiding it, you are not being passive. You are actively investing in a future you believe in. You are declaring, "My ultimate goal is more important than my immediate impulse." But what if you've reached your limit? What if, despite knowing all this, you simply cannot do it all alone? What if you need someone who understands your limitations and offers help without demanding anything in return except your trust? What if you had a partner whose only ask is for your patience while he works tirelessly on your behalf? That person exists. His name is Mr. Ash Mufare. This is not a mere concept. It is a living, breathing foundation. Victory with Ash is built upon this very principle of patient urgency. Mr. Mufare embodies the relentless, quiet force that works with focused intensity toward your long-term victory. He is the engine of urgency, steering with the wisdom of patience so you can have a guide who truly walks the path with you. You are not just waiting. You are strategically positioned with a leader who acts with purpose today for a triumph that unfolds tomorrow. This is the ultimate alignment. Your short-term trust in him, partnered with his long-term commitment to you. Believe in the future enough to work for it, struggle for it, and wait for it with the one person who proves that no one has to run the marathon alone.